So welcome to another video. My name is Marcel, and in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can make money with YouTube Shorts. So I appreciate you being here once again. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button for similar videos from me, just talking about video creation and how you can step up and get better quality out of your videos that you produce for social media. If you're here after watching that video that I posted a couple months ago about my experience posting 60 YouTube Shorts in 30 days, welcome back. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll be linking it up in here and also in the description below. That was a month-long experiment that I did for my channel.
If you want to do a science experiment that people are what they are despite their environment, this is the guy.
And you might be interested in the results that came out of that. So you're here because you want to make money posting YouTube Shorts. We'll find out later today in this video how you can do that and whether you'll actually be able to do that. YouTube has recently implemented a bunch of changes, including changes to its YouTube Partner Program. Let's look at this official page from YouTube. There are new ways to earn money on YouTube. You can enter the YouTube Partner Program via the traditional route of long-form video, of having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. So you can also become now a YouTube partner by posting YouTube Shorts. But the fine print, or the not so fine print, but also very difficult and very important to know kind of print, is that
what's the fine print?
You need 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days.
Aside from the fine print, that's it.
In order to be accepted into the program. Let's digest that a little bit more. So that you need 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. So that is a lot of views. And to put that into perspective, let's do a little bit of a calculation. So let's take 10 million views, which is 7 zeros, and let's divide that into the 90 days. So that is 1, 1, 1, 1, a lot of ones. So you'll need about, on average, 111,111 views per day in the last 90 days to be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, plus have about 1,000 subscribers. And if you post one YouTube Short per day, you're going to have to be getting 111,111 views on average on that one YouTube Short consistently throughout all of your shorts. And if you post about 2 YouTube Shorts per day, you're gonna have to get about 50,000 views per video for 90 days.
And that's not all.
There's more fine print you need to be aware of. YouTube says, keep in mind that any public watch hours from Shorts views in the Shorts feed won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours threshold. So in other words, it means that any views that you get from your Shorts in the Shorts feed is not going to count towards the 4,000 valid public watch hours. So just another thing to keep in mind and to complicate things. It is possible to make money on YouTube Shorts and get into the YouTube Partner Program with YouTube Shorts, but it's very, very difficult, especially if you're starting out.
Yes, you must be right, Warnie. But it is difficult, you see.
If you are a bigger creator and you're already getting traction on your channel and you're getting all the views, no matter what you post, it is just going to be another incentive for you to get revenue by posting YouTube Shorts. But with this in mind, does it make sense for you to continue to post or to start to post YouTube Shorts? Well, yes. I think the strategy is to post both long form and short form content. So with the long form content, my aim would be to get the 1,000 subscribers and get the 4,000 hours of watch time. And with YouTube Shorts, my strategy would be just to get a little bit more organic reach from my channel to gain potential subscribers or viewers who would watch my long form content. But that's it for this video. I'll be covering more topics related to YouTube Shorts. I also have another video on the best export settings for YouTube Shorts. If you're interested, link in the description below. But thank you again for being here. Thanks for watching. If this kind of content interests you, let me know in the comments below. I'll be creating more content to benefit you in your creator journey. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.